Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. So, welcome to our YouTube channel Techipedia. We are back again with a new tutorial. Before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for our further updates. First of all, we are thank you to all of you for your love, because we start our journey on this channel from 1030 subscribers, and on just one video we have achieved more than 80 and 90 subscribers. So keep supporting us, and you can find a quality content on this channel. So now let's start the video. Basically, in today's video we will tell you how to send secret messages on WhatsApp, because sometimes we are looking for secret messages. We want to send secret messages to our close ones, our friends, our family, and sometimes someone ignoring our messages. So in this video we will tell you how you can send secret messages like this. We need to install an application which name What Spoiler, to send spoiler messages. Like, just add a heading, the receiver just see a heading in his mobile, but when he opens the message and click on the read more option, then he will see the actual message here like this. So now let's start the video how to send spoilers on WhatsApp. So now let's start.
So first of all, we simply need to open Play Store.
Here we need to search what spoiler app send spoilers. So this application is basically belong from Telemedia, and last update of this application is 24 October 2019, and this application have more than 100k plus downloads. And now this is the dashboard of the application. So I am personally using this application. If you want to send secret messages or spoilers, means if you are looking to send secret messages, then you can easily trust on this application. So now, spoiler title, you can add your title here, like I am writing here breaking news. So, and in hidden message I can write everything, hey, please return my money. Sometimes people are ignoring our messages and they cannot see our messages, but when you send messages like this, then this kind of messages are looks like interesting, then that's why people immediately open this. Now I am sending this message to my friend. So now the receiver just see that breaking news. When when he click on read more option, then he can see the actual message. Otherwise he just see that breaking news. You can send this kind of message to your friends, your family members, like this is secret message. So when I'm going back and again click on the chat, then again this message is like this. So this kind of spoilers are just sent by the What Spoiler application. So if you like the video, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and keep supporting us. We are really happy about the first video's results. So thank you so much for the trust and support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.